most powerful small ear duster ever. I'm gonna tell you, it's very powerful. It lasts for a long time, strong wind, easy to operate. I mean, blow out any dust anywhere easily. You could see how it is. And you could control the speed amount right here. It comes with this attachment. You could always remove it. It's very lightweight. It's compact. I'm telling you, it's powerful. You're not going to probably believe me, but I'm going to show you guys right now. All you do, hold the power button here. And this is how you turn up the power. We're going to see that with low. Check this out. Gone. This thing is no joke. See that? It will blow out any dust from your car, from the computer, from your boat, the vehicle, whatever you got. This thing is packed with powers. So if we got some dust right here, we could brush it like this, and then you turn this on, and it brush it quick. Everything it's already gone. It's literally that good. This thing is amazing. Oh, and look how the light lights up right here. I'm telling you, blow dust anywhere. Powerful. This thing is the best. I put a plastic fork down. Let's see if you blow it or not. Check it out. Gone. I told you. Very powerful. Really, overall, one of the best I ever got. Trust me, I have some big ones, and they don't have this much power. This thing is lightweight, very good grip. Love the grip on it. Comes with a charger. Listen, check in the description box for price and detail, and get your hand on one of the most small, compact ear duster. Very powerful, honest review on products. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 100% free. Click the bell icon.